Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I have been really busy and a lot going on. So just bear with me. I haven't forgot about you guys, but I am going to do a quick video here. This is going to be a quick one. It was supposed to be a two-part video. I ordered a part for my mower deck and it got here and they say that would fit it, and it was for the fast attach system, which this doesn't have it. So they ended up I don't know, customer service was terrible. The woman says, I don't understand. Well, I'm trying to say your blades didn't flip and fit, and the kit wasn't the right kit for my mower. So I ended up returning the item, which really burns me because it cost me almost $16 to send the item back because they sent me the wrong part. So, but anyway, that being aside, we'll get with you in a few when we get ready to do the install. Hi there, welcome back. This is going to be I said it's going to be a quick install because I ordered, well actually I ordered 3 items for it. That's going to be another video. I'm doing away the bushings in the front end of this and putting bearings in it. That's going to be a video unto itself. But what we're going to do is I ordered a bumper to put on it. And me being a newbie that I am, I got to figure out which way it goes. Just like so. The machine is already set up for it. It's going to be a quick install, quick video. I think it's going to be a quick video. Find out here. They got bosses built into this thing to, I got it. So you don't have to hold it with a wrench. And they got like Loctite on these bolts, so they'll all be good. And what I saw putting these on, the best way to do it is turn the wheel like so. And I got a socket here on my impact. That side's tight. Like I said, this is going to be a quick install video. See how tight that thing turns? It's amazing. Just like that. And I got a couple caps. Like I say, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be a 2-part video. The other part is, I don't have time to shoot it today, so it's going to be happening another day. And I got some rubber caps. And I'll give you a shot. Before and after shot of it. What it looks like. Just like that, it's installed. 4 bolts and put 2 end caps on. I'm gonna give you a little once over. You see the 2 bolts down here. The little rubber plugs you pound into the bumper. And the same as on this side. And the machine's already pre-drilled for a bumper, so you don't have to add no bracket. You just order the bumper kit. And this is a Cadet bumper, by the way. But what it does too, I was concerned with, you got the shielding underneath here, and right there's a muffler. It'll help protect that area. Plus it'll help protect the front of your unit here too, your hood and all that. So that's about it. The quickest install video I ever had. I figured it'd take me a little bit longer than it did. You can see it on there. So this is Trail Rider 570 signing off. This is the quickest video I've ever had to do. And I'll see you in my next ride video, which is going to happen fairly soon here. I just got to take a little bit of time and just go out and do one, I guess. And goodbye from God Bless for now. And I'll end it with a couple of photos, before and after photos. So thanks very much for watching, and see you for now.